Hey guys, and welcome to yet another video of Fragrance Jam after almost 2 months. I'm really sorry, I was actually busy somewhere. Let's not waste time and start. इतने दिनों के बाद आज मैं जिस परफ्यूम के बारे में डिस्कशन करने वाला हूँ दैट इज़ वेरी फेमस इन फ्रेग्रेंस वर्ल्ड, इन फ्रेग्रेंस कम्युनिटी, एंड आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर अबाउट इट, बट आई हैव सीन रिव्यूज ऑफ सो मैनी YouTubers about this thing, so I thought let's give it a try. Anyway, oud is my favorite note. I hope you know what oud is. So oud actually एक टाइप की लकड़ी होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सैंडलवुड जो रहता है, यू नो, सिमिलर टू दैट, जस्ट सिमिलर इन वॉट इट इज़, नॉट सिमिलर इन स्मेल. सो फ्रेग्रेंस वाइज इट इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट देन सैंडलवुड, एंड यू नो, एंड इट इज़ वेरी सब्जेक्टिव. कुछ लोगों को पसंद आता है एंड most of the people don't like it. I'll just show you its box. This is the box. Very simple box, and you know, यहाँ पर एक wooden texture है, of course, oud. So this is what you can expect with the box. It is very shiny, golden type of box. I don't know, maybe आपको reflection आ रहा होगा इसका. So let me tell you that box may be tacky and the bottle may be tacky, but the perfume isn't. Let me show you the bottle now. Now अगर आप देखेंगे ये bottle काफ़ी shiny है. That is the reason it attracts a lot of fingerprints. So it is a fingerprint magnet. इसको मैं अगर साफ भी कर देता हूँ, it's like this, and if I'm touching it here, it is, you know, attracting my fingerprint. So the main reason why I was interested in this perfume is because in the community people told that this is an oud bomb, and I am always attracted to the perfume which are strong and which are potent. Like you know, 2 spray या 3 spray अप्लाई करो and that's it, you're good for the entire day. इस परफ्यूम को कहा जाता है कि ये एक बहुत ही costly perfume and बहुत ही famous perfume again in community, which is a high-end perfume, Lancôme Oud Bouquet, and you'll be able to see somewhere here. This perfume is actually similar to that perfume, as they say, and I have tried. I had sample Lancôme Oud Bouquet with this one. As per the review, this and that are like 90 to 95% same. So I thought let's give this a try. If I like this, then you know, I'll give that one a try. So yes, this is good, this is strong, and जहाँ तक मैंने इसे यूज़ किया है, this is like a beast. The main and prominent note here is oud, rose and vanilla. You know, so this is actually termed as a gourmand perfume, जिसका मतलब होता है कि this smells like something that you can eat. Obviously you won't be able to eat this or drink this, but you know, it is what it is, as the people say. Let's give it a whiff. Oh I think excitement में कुछ ज़्यादा ही spray कर दिया मैंने. Yeah, it is good. You know, I'm acting like this, but you know, I've been using this perfume from almost 15 to 20 days, and so this perfume actually is very good, and it leaves an excellent scent trail. I don't know why, but I don't detect that much rose, because oud and rose combo I have already sniffed in many of the perfumes. Those are some perfumes जहाँ पे oud और rose combination काफ़ी अच्छे से यूज़ किया गया है, and इसके अंदर rose है but not that much. The main and prominent note with oud is vanilla. Sugar Food is only available in EDP, and I don't think, or you know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think कि ये perfume oil में available है, जिसका मतलब है कि अत्तर में नहीं आता है. But I was actually able to get a perfume which is similar to this. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि that perfume is like 100% similar to this or 100% similar to Lancôme Oud Bouquet. I had sniffed this earlier, and I had sniffed Lancôme Oud Bouquet sample. उसके बाद I just went to Ajmal store, and Ajmal store पे I just tested this perfume. Now this perfume is not very famous as of now, but let's make it famous. So it is Ajmal's क्लासिक ऊद। अब ये आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि दिस इज़ नॉट एन EDP, दिस इज़ एक्चुअली एन अतर which is perfume oil of 10 ml. I don't know if you're able to see it here. The net content is 10 ml. Shit. So this is how the bottle looks, and it is very good. I mean, you know, this looks very royal. It is not unboxing and review of this perfume, it is unboxing and review of Shagaf Oud, but you know, I just wanted to highlight this. इसके नोट्स ब्रेकडाउन अभी नहीं बता रहा because this is my episode, and मैं जो करना चाहूँ वो करूँगा. Just kidding. You know, I'll do this in any other episode because फिर episode काफ़ी लंबा हो जाएगा. So this is it regarding Shagaf Oud and Classic Oud. Price would be approximately 2800 to 3000 rupees, and if you're lucky enough you might get it for less, but you know, keep searching. You can also contact the seller that I have mentioned in the description, so if he has it you can definitely get it from him. This is it for Shagaf Oud, and yeah, one more thing. There are so many people जो एपिसोड्स देखते हैं, जो कभी कभी लाइक्स भी कर देते हैं उनका मूड हो तो, लेकिन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है। अभी YouTube के अंदर एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जिसके अंदर मैं चेक कर सकता हूँ if you are subscribed to me or not, which is like this. So these many people have not yet subscribed me, so I'll just request you to like, share and subscribe this channel, and I'll see you around in next episode.